Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max and today I'm sat in a pre-facelift Jaguar XK, and this is an extremely popular platform that we're getting at John Cleese to add Apple CarPlay to the factory screens. You can't really do a lot more in these vehicles, to be honest. We can do the pre-facelifts, the facelifts. We can even add reverse cameras to these vehicles if you want that. This video is about this particular XK, which is a soft top. Customers had this car, so it's brand new actually, and he thought it was about time he upgrades to have Apple CarPlay, because he uses the car a lot more now and he wants it to be a bit more usable. So here is the dashboard on this vehicle. Don't mind the airbag light, that will be turned off and sorted out shortly. The screen looks like this. Now this is the factory Jaguar system, as you can see. So it's quite important that you keep this working, because all your air conditioning controls and stuff like that, they come up on here. You have certain vehicle features and information that will come up on here. So on these cars we keep the factory system working and we add on top of it basically. So how do we get into our Apple CarPlay system? Now it's all connected wirelessly, as you can see. So it's already hooked up to my phone because I literally just jumped in the car. But the way to activate it is to press navigation, and then we've hidden a little button down here. It's quite hard to see. There we go. Can't really notice it, to be honest. You just reach on down there, give it a press, and it's going to flick to your Apple CarPlay screen. Now this is Apple CarPlay working on the factory screen. Now I won't roll this in glitter. This is an old screen. It's not going to be HD quality. However, in our opinion, it is more than capable enough to do all the things you need to do. On some Jags, we recommend people to put their Waze into dark mode and use this for navigation, or dark mode on other applications, because it tends to be easier. Certain colours on these systems, like whites and yellows, aren't very user friendly to see, and they can look a little bit washed out. You can read it a little bit. It's probably a bit hard on the camera, but we always say on these systems, if you use Waze in dark mode, you get a lot better just view on navigation and stuff like that. However, pretty much everything else is pretty self-explanatory. You've got Apple CarPlay. Why would you want Apple CarPlay? It makes for a much nicer way of using your phone while driving. As you can tell, this system works through our touch screen. We haven't added any extra controls. We have done a little charger down here for the customer, as he wanted to have some sort of charging for his phone. So we put a little charger down there. But this system all works through the factory touchscreen basically. You got your maps, your music. I use Tidal for my music, which looks a little bit like this. Comes onto your home screen. You can get your recents, check your explore, go down to your collection. I can check my tracks, and I can just go. I can scroll through it. These touchscreens, they aren't quite capacitive, brand new touchscreens. You just have to be a bit more slower and clearer when you're using them, but they're more than functional enough for you to be able to drive along and have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation on the screen. If a phone call comes in, you just touch the screen to answer the phone call, and you talk hands-free. There is a little microphone that we have to hide in these cars. It's just up there. It really is just a small microphone and hardly noticeable from the driver's position. So this is Apple CarPlay, you know, a little show around. Here's Google Maps. This is in satellite mode. I actually find it looks quite good in satellite mode. This is my other half trying to get hold of me. I'll call you back in 2 seconds. But yeah, this is pretty much Apple CarPlay. Android Auto works in a very similar way. This is a Jaguar XK. It all works with a factory touchscreen, wirelessly connects to your phone, and in our opinion, this is the best system that you can do to these Jags if you just want to bring them up to date with some upgraded features. So that's pretty much it for this video. This is a pre-facelift Jaguar XK. If you've got a Jaguar XK and you want to upgrade it, whether it be the CarPlay system, reverse camera, audio upgrade, maybe even security upgrade, these cars are forever becoming more popular, we're finding, and people want to keep them within their possession. So get in contact with us and we can create a solution for you. Thanks for watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.